the install of my new cowl. Kind of got ahead of myself for the video, but I'll bring you in now. I'm fixing to start welding. I'll show you where I'm at. So obviously I got the lower done and got the upper, and up here I have drilled out all my little spot welds across there on the bottom. I got my ground here, and now I'm just going to start welding in from the center and work my way out. I got a ventilation fan over there, and just to sit there and hopefully keep me cool and slowly keep this project cool. Anyways, I'm gonna get started, and I'm not gonna show the welding process. Just using a MIG welder, and I got my titanium MIG 170 over there, and I got it all set up ready to go. Hopefully everything's good and grounded. We're fixing to find out, but I'll bring you back when I get halfway in there somewhere. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll bring you back. Alright, so as you can see, I got a couple of the welds in. Actually welding together pretty good. Definitely going to do some grinding on these once I get them done, and then hit them with some paint and self-etching primer and all that good stuff. But I just wanted to bring you back and show you what's going on, and I'll bring you back when I finished. If you have any questions, hit me up. Well, all my welds are done. I do have some cleaning up to do. Definitely got some grinding work to do. As you can tell, my welds started getting a lot better as I got going along. But they're not too bad. Not too bad at all. Let me move over here. Definitely gonna have to get the grinding wheel out and grind the living heck out of some of them, but hey, not too bad. I'm happy with it. It ain't going nowhere now. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. The channel needs as much help as you can give it. Please hit the little bell so you know when I put out another video. Sometimes I throw an extra one out there, but most of the time I try to get them out there every Sunday at 9 a.m. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Have a great day.